Hello, my name is Jennifer Escobedo, and I'm a teacher at Epic Charter School. I'm so excited to be working with your student and family on your educational journey. Today, we're going to discuss some recent test results on an ACT exam that your student took. The areas of curriculum that we're going to focus on are math, science, English, and reading. We're going to focus on areas of growth where your student can make the most growth in their learning. Under math, we're going to focus on statistics and probability. Under science, the standard to focus on will be evaluation of models, inferences, and experimental results. For English, we'll focus on knowledge of language, and reading, craft, and structure. So these will be the standards that will be our focus in our lessons for the next few weeks. But for today, we're going to focus on statistics and probability in math. In the lesson, we will focus on these standards under statistics and probability. Your student will have the opportunity to use logic and logic strategies to solve problems with a series of clues to find a solution and check that solution. I have also included a couple of videos for further understanding, and your student will just need paper and pencil to complete this activity. We'll start out by discussing things that your student already knows about statistics and probability, and we will record those. We'll also discuss what your student would like to learn about statistics and probability and record that as well. After we watch the short videos, we will work together to solve a couple of real-life situations that use statistics and probability. The first activity we will complete together. The second activity, your student will complete on their own, and I can assist as needed. Finally, the student and I will discuss what they have learned about probability and statistics and record that on a chart labeled Learned. Then, your student will do an assessment on their own, which will be considered a formalized assessment based on the same types of activities we completed together. I've also included a challenge activity for your student to complete as well. I look forward to working with your family and helping your student in a one-on-one flexible situation with individualized learning to reach their full potential. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.